Yeah, morning viewers, morning subscribers, morning everybody, all my fans. Big up on yourself, New Link Production fans. I don't know the thing going on. Big up on yourself, New Link there early in the morning, you know the thing go. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, people. Well, known at the morning, people there and just have just a think. When New Link there on a reality level, New Link just a look back on your life still, you know what I mean? Honestly, I just a look back on my life and I remember how far I come from, you know. Honestly, I just say I got black about it. I remember how far I come from when me in the street at Jamaica. Nothing go on for me, you understand? I remember when me used to go dance and pick up some buckle. Figure make a thing a thief man them buckle and have you hide them there. You understand? If you know if someone want that for tomorrow, you understand? Me a pray and me a look back and I say, y'all, when school are open, you know, like school are open maybe Monday, I ain't sure. School maybe open Monday that I come, you understand? And me a pray and me a say, yo, all them time there, when me have to go there and all a chop cow pasta. I don't know if you know cow pasta in the people, but in Jamaica, we have some, like some man, he have a whole heap of cow, like we call it a herd of cow. And he have different plate part when put the cow them in, I understand? So we call it cow pasta. And New Link is a boy now, me used to work with a man, a woman, summertime people. And me I tell you say, a $50 a day you used to pay me, you know, $50 Jamaican dollar, but God know, he help us sometimes, but sometimes you can do look more work on it, and you will make up it to all $100, you see me? $100 for a day. And you know, say for a week, if you saw 5 bills, you're smiling because normally a 50 a day you work still, you see me? So New Link used to, me used to feel good when I see them thing the people, me I tell you the truth. You understand? And yo people, me I tell you this, you know, man. Yo, me I tell you this. Me do all of them things. Do you understand? Me used to chop them cow pasta all the day time. Yo, some work what me do. Yo, I some ticks so used to bite me up, people. Yo, when ticks bite me up, man, yo, sometimes ticks are hold upon you. You see it balls, you know, people. Me I tell you the truth, you know, you did it for 3 days, you know. Yes, when you take you all in the night, you have to run out all your pants, you know, people. You think that joke? I'm bucklet, man. Me tell you say, yo, ticks hold me already, man. What you some you call silver box sticks, some black one. When them bite up people, the whole of blood going at them, you know. All of blood going at them. Yo, when that whole me to blood clip, man, me I say, yo, be a blood in I think, yo. When you feel him up, yo, and my daddy have to use it like him have to put some cursenile before him pick him in a mix because it's that ticks then now, him poisonous. You see me? Yo, a real thing, me and they always go for your seed balls, man. Right there, sometimes they hold up on the all, he cock for the top. Tell me a real thing, me I tell you, reality, me I tell you no people. Reality, me I tell you no. Yeah, so, me just hear me a pray, me I look back in my life, me I say, yo, you know, say, nothing New Link go through that boy after they went there today. And when me see some people want come bad mind New Link and want fight down New Link, they don't know what they might do with God pitting in people. Because God has some youth to them create, especially on the land, you know, if you carry the message to me now, New Link are one of them in the people. Because when me can come and tell some youth, say, youth, big man, you know, so New Link could have take up gun on them thing, because New Link, they run it, you know, New Link, born around it, you know, you understand me as a people. New Link could have take up a gun and a beat you up. New Link could have did it on the street and a bun, be a weed and a sit and make it be himself, be a problem. But New Link never chose that road, you see me people? And it's to God. Yo, me have a father, that's why, yo, people, now hear me come and talk about my father on my channel. A real thing, I tell me I have a good father and I love him. And not a joke thing, you know. Because New Link, yo, anything I talk, I you say, alright, people send things come give me enough people in the people. And me say, yo, if this me know say not real, me know black about it, you get what me I say. But me know it real, me black about it. You see me? But once I can suspect say it not real, me know black about it, people. I saw me stay. So me I tell you, so me chat about my daddy real and I love him. You see me? Me love my daddy. Big man thing, a real daddy, cause them man there, yo. I say, yo, he might help me and I push and I say, youth, go do it and I say, smoke, you see me? Any school where you fi go, me will send you. If I fi go, you with me, send you. Although them man there, now no big job, a farming, them man they do look, and then a big farming, but still in try, you see me? I'm love him, man. So people, me I tell you, New Link come from foreign, because boy, we say New Link just today. And New Link doing things, you want come, nobody try to stop him, man. You see me? And people just know this God real, you see me? God is real, and it's a good God, you see me? And we have to appreciate God and know say God is real. You see me? God real. You see me as a people? God a real God. You see me? And people, me soon come back at you again. This is a short one. Big up on yourself and blessed. Love you all. New Link Production. Up.